Hey guys, let's start with a new lab, which is referral-based access control, and this is the last lab of broken access control. So I would be uploading all the videos of broken access control to my on my YouTube channel. Just watch each and everything. Then my second topic would be broken authentication. Okay, so let's start with the lab, which is the lab access control. I mean to say the lab control access to the certain admin functionality based on the referrer header. Very important. You can familiarize yourself with the admin panel by logging into using admin credential to solve the lab, log in using credential or exploit the flow access control. Promote yourself to become an administrator. Okay, let's access this lab. Let's try to access the administrator. ADMINISTRATOR administrator admin, and let's see what is happening. Okay, great. Let's try to access the admin panel, and then it is showing Carlos. Okay, let's upgrade the Carlos, and you have to okay, Viner, Peter, and then upgrade. Okay, let's see what can happen. Let's see the capture the first request, and here everything is being on the referrer access control. Okay, and access control, and then upgrade the user. And what is happening? Okay, now Carlos is an admin. Great. अच्छा upgrade हो चुका है, sorry. Now let's see what is happening. If I try to access the admin panel and there is a referrer access control, mm, if I downgrade also, and if it is an upgrade also, is there any other request we are getting? Upgrade, downgrade. Okay, great. Now let's log in and let's how we can promote ourselves. Let's go to the view control. Let's log out and let's try to access Viner. Okay. Now let's see. Here we have to promote ourselves to become administrator. Let's try to do the same old formula. Administrator. ADMINISTRATOR. Okay, no, it's taking to the logout. Okay. Now what we can do is let's do one thing. How should I become an administrator? This is the main admin role, okay? And if you try to go to the my account, try to access the admin. This is the session cookie. And this is the username Carlos. What should I do then? Okay. Let's do one thing. Just remove this referrer header once and let's see what can happen. And just take the session cookie. Okay, एक काम करते हैं. What we can do is Carlos, no, we can take Viner. Let's see what can happen. Unauthorized. Okay, no problem. Let's do one thing. Just take the session cookie once. And let's see. It's showing unauthorized. Okay, no problem. What it is showing, it is a referrer access control. Solve the lab access the admin functionality based on the referrer header. You can familiar yourself with the panel by logging using the credential admin and solve the lab. Okay. Hey, we can do one thing. We can do one thing. Just put the access control here. Put the session cookie. Acha, okay. It is not saying whether I'm able to put Winer. Now see what is happening. I will explain you. Okay, I got it. This lab is solved. Now see what is happening. Let's see, understand. See, there is a functionality. Okay, what is happening? The backend application is just seeing the referrer header. Okay, just seeing the referrer header. It is not saying, it is not checking whether this request is being re- requested by normal user or admin user. So what you have to do, just note down the point. Remove the referrer header and check once. Remove the referrer header and check whether you are able to access any, try to able to bypass or something. Okay. In the normal session, now suppose in the admin, suppose you log into the admin and you got the referrer header, just copy that, and whenever you try to log in and try to log in into the normal user, okay, and just put that particular header and see you are able to bypass anything. So what happened is sometimes the backend is just checking the referrer header and not seeing any other things. Okay, this happens many times. Okay, not frequently, but it happens. Okay. See, browse to the role admin. Observe that login with non-admin credential. Copy the non-admin user session cookie bob repeater. Change the username and just remove and just keep the referrer header. Okay, so this is the very much important thing. You need to understand how the referrer header based control is been implemented, which is leads to broken access control. And where is my solution? And the solution is here. User ID control. Whether there is a redirect functionality. Okay, okay. Okay, acha, I have not written, I think so. No problem. So people just note it down, like remove the referrer header, check, okay, and just remove the session cookie and check once, okay. Add a referrer header in the normal user request and see if you are able to access admin panel directly from the session cookie. Now, for example, you log in into the normal cookie, okay, but in the admin, when you log in with the admin credential, there is some parameter which is for admin only, like some endpoint, like approve, okay, and change or something. Now what you have to do in the normal session, what you have to in the referrer, just change the referrer to change. Maybe you can find the you are able to get the particular that admin panel or something, or that particular functionality, that particular module, and you are able to do some changes which can lead to privilege escalation, and that would be a valid bug. Okay, so that is the main important thing, privilege escalation. So guys, thank you so much for seeing this lab. Now next topic would be broken authentication. Thank you so much.